dog. How sweet! Dogs smile when they need love and attention. It turns out that dogs can dream. In their dreams, they see tasty food, toys, and friends. Wow! The dogs starring in Hollywood movies sign their contracts for themselves with a print of their paw. Ox. Wow! The oxen have an extraordinarily developed sense of time, and keeping a daily schedule is of a great importance in their lives. It turns out that oxen swim very well. They are born swimmers. Duck. Wow! A duck lays about 260 eggs a year. It's amazing. A duck can breathe underwater. Ostrich. It's surprising, but ostriches, unlike other birds, can get wet in the rain. Pigs. Amazing! Pigs love listening to music and can play it themselves. Cow. It turns out that cows have friends, whom they usually lick when meeting. It's surprising. Hens only lay eggs during the day. It turns out that chickens can fly, but not for a long time and not very fast. They can fly up a tree if necessary and make flights between branches. Wow! It turns out that chickens can be hypnotized.